Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 160,000 subs. Welcome to Amavenza TV. It's the CAF Champions League. Orlando Pirates 3, Lupopo 0. Orlando Pirates out via penalties. I'm joined by Umnigen, Umjung.
Stibo. Ngikhumbula uPitso Msimane sakhoja iSundowns. Ukhona igame akayidlala khona nePlatinum Stars. Wathi yawina iSundowns. Wathi uPitso, this game I give it to myself. My plan worked. So today, this loss, I give it to Mdu. You know Mdu? The Orlando Pirates coach. His name is Mdu.
Wadu.
Oh, mina ngithi Mdu. So I give this to Mdu.
Yes.
Why? He wanted Pirates to score by luck. He didn't include any striker. The second best Orlando Pirates history striker in history after Vilakazi is Tsegofatso Mabaso. But he didn't play him.
Why?
That is, I also say, why, Steve?
Why?
So, he wanted us to score by luck. Also, his substitutions. He was not supposed to substitute like this. You see, when you take out Nduli, who had a shape, who was shaping Orlando Pirates, and then you put the young boy in dancing. So you are just wasting your substitutes. Uslimazi.
Yes.
Also, the way he approached the game in the second half, you saw after doing those substitutions, that team started playing. Baqala badlala manje kubeni kade bengadlali ukhipha kwakho unemthanjela. Maye khipha unomthanjela bekufanele ngabe ufaka umbatha manje umbekele ebesihleli naye ulokhuzana. Umbatha besihleli naye lapha sidla ama ice block. Uyabona? Akuhambanga kahle lapho. Kodwa abadlali bePirates balwile on their own. Balwe kakhulu laba bafana. Ufuneka sibashayele izandla. But what I'm doing is motivational analysis.
Yes, Baba One.
So I want to tell these Orlando Pirates boys in English that today we applaud them. But tomorrow we are going to call them Lamtutus. So what they need to do, is that they must know that this is a chance. They must just grab it and start saving money for the future. Do not take a bond for 21 years when you only have a 3-year contract. They must start looking after themselves and look out for the future. Because one day we are praising Boas today, but one day when he turns out to have nothing because he didn't play his future, when he is lifting that cup, some of his relatives will be saying, but no money. So these boys must look after themselves. I'm a friend as well. Pop. So hlangana kusasa eJobsonville ngiyosupport unkosikazi wami. Siyabonga.
Thank you, man.